to head on in this Salvation Army. See if we can find some goodies.
Celebrate Thanksgiving with a Kroger brand frozen turkey. They're 33 cents a pound with additional $25 purchase. Limit one with card. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Was this not an incredible year? It was definitely a weird year. Now the holiday.
I can cheer you up.
You can?
Yes, with deals on new Hyundais right now during Hyundai's Thanksgiving sales event at Columbia Hyundai.
What about an SUV?
Check out all 5 of our new Hyundai SUVs, which are all loaded with high-tech equipment from small to large. There's the Hyundai Venue, the Kona, the Tucson, the Santa Fe, and the Palisade.
I need a real deal on a new Tucson now.
For 36 months, lease a brand new 2021 Hyundai Tucson SE for $159 per month. Other than tax and titles, there's just $34.99 due at signing.
$159 a month for a new Tucson?
$159 a month, and don't forget, Hyundai have America's best warranty: a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and the Hyundai insurance.
That's a good deal.
It is Columbia Hyundai on Montgomery Road at I-275. See our video at ColumbiaHyundai.com.
Born 98.5, broadcasting from the Walt
That's cool.
Business Solutions Studio. It's your document
Glow stick.
Call Walt.
There's no place like home for the holiday. Or HomeDepot.com for holiday decor with great low prices on decorations inside and outside, like artificial Christmas trees to light up the living room, outside lights and playful inflatables that bring joy to the neighborhood. Order online.
Get it? It's a flashlight and a glow stick.
Holiday decorations
Yeah.
Put it in the cart.
assortment of holiday decor.
So what card? This?
Yeah.
How do
And this one?
Yeah.
3 cents shipping on most online orders of $45. Some exclusive while supplies last.
Does learning a language feel like this? No habla español?
Remember these guys?
Hablo? It's Hablo. When you learn a language, you want to actually use it. Babbel is designed with Babbel in mind.
With my husband is from Guatemala, I'll apply what I've learned in Babbel to a real life situation.
The app is so easy to use and so practical. It helps you learn things that you will actually use.
Babbel, language for life, celebrating 10 million subscriptions full. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. That's Babbel.com.
How old is your son?
B-A-B-B-E-L.
He is almost 7.
He's doing schoolwork.
He's still in school. He goes to private school, so they've stayed open. Yeah.
It teaches you
Yes, they do.
conversations that you will actually use. In 15 minutes a day, you'll be on your way to speaking a new language in just a few weeks. Babbel uses a modern conversation-based technique that makes language engaging, fun, and memorable. It starts by teaching you words and phrases.
these.
Then, sentences gradually
Might be
get
worth looking at.
complex. Soon, you're practicing short conversations about real-life topics. Babbel was created by language experts who use the spaced repetition method to help you learn quickly.
Hey guys, I didn't film too much more in the store because they were blasting Christmas music. This is what we ended up picking up. We got this Energizer glow stick with a flashlight. It's pretty cool. Secret Life of Pets for Mikey. He loves that movie. Got this for me. And I did pick up that Victoria's Secret Pearl Glaze body shower and bath gel. Then I grabbed this, the Dangerous Book of Boys. I seen one listed for $46 that was open. And it's pretty, I think it's a pretty rare game to find. It's a magic kit. It's from 2008. It's $2, so take a chance on it. And then I did find something awesome that was sitting in the back room. I asked the guy working there, and I picked it up, and we're gonna go back to the back door and pick it up right now. All right, guys, this is what we got at the thrift store. This is a Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Man's Chest pinball machine. This isn't like one of them smaller, like cheapy ones. It's kind of like a little legit pinball machine. The start button, volume button. It's pretty sturdy. The only thing that was wrong with it, here's the side view. There's the cord that goes with it, the power plug. And the problem was he couldn't get it to start because I think the power plug is like pushed in to the place. So I'm gonna take this over to my dad's house and we're gonna try to get it fixed. But you can probably just take this off and then probably get that back in there and then plug it in. And hopefully it works, but if not, I only paid $9.99 for it. And on eBay, these are going from like, I've seen some sell for like $1,000. It's insane. Let's see if I can bring up some solds here. It's crazy how much this is worth, but don't know if I end up selling it. Might keep it, who knows. See, there's one for $1,125, $9.95. It's crazy. It's made by Zizzle, I think, which I'm not seeing that name anywhere. Let's see. Not seeing that on here anywhere. It might be somewhere. But yeah, guys, that was a sweet pickup for $9.99. What do you think, dude? Something's as tall as you, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. On Reading Road at Valley Thrift Store. I don't get to come here too often, but they definitely have a lot of stuff in here. Not sure if they stock on Mondays, but we're gonna find out. About this thrift store, they got a lot of smalls hanging in bags, which ones by around me don't have. Sometimes you find some good stuff in the bags. Balls here.
We promise you not only reliable healthcare, but also a helping hand with whatever your family chooses to succeed. It's why more moms and dads choose Thrift stores for Medicaid than all other plans combined. Things only get better when we work together. And together, there's nothing we can't.
Playing a lot of music in here, but I am finding a few things. Some new CDs, some ink. We've got a Nintendo Switch dock. Controller, I think there's a Joy-Con in there. 16 bucks, man, that might be a good deal. Hey guys, just getting home. I'm gonna show you what I got at that Valley Thrift Store. Did find some good deals in there, for sure. Spent about 23 bucks. So first up, we got this, it's a Sunco Mirage suntan tub. And if you didn't know, like these old vintage pool floats do pretty good. I learned that from Part-Time Pickers. There's currently none available on eBay. There's one in Worth Point that sold for 20 bucks in 2010, and one for 15 earlier this year, which I think they priced it wrong. So this is brand new. It's from 1998. So I'm at least gonna try to get $40, $50 or listed higher and put offers. I paid $3.99 for it, so definitely worth the gamble there. Got these they look like vintage sunglasses. You see the case, it looks like a little Volkswagen, which is pretty cool. These are Duco sunglasses. Feels like there's lenses in that one. That's cool. They're pink. Doesn't that just scream like 90s, you guys, or something? So I had to do a little more research. It does have some numbers on it, so maybe I can narrow it down by that. But these were $1, so definitely gonna should make some money on that. Picked up some ink. This one was $2. This expired black 98, and this was $3 with another black 98 and that 57, which is probably worthless. This expired in 2012, but I'm gonna lot up the 2 black inks, and I should get around 30 bucks for both. That's what my guess is. Just picked up these country CDs because they're brand new for 49 cents a piece. Tim McGraw's Greatest Hits 3. I'll give that to my wife probably. We got Blake Shelton, More Pure BS. And I'll probably keep this because I like Blake Shelton. So Can't beat new CDs for 49 cents. And we got this Skin Medica AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. I'm always looking at beauty products and makeup, perfume. You can make a lot of money on this stuff. It was only $1. Looks like I should get 25 to 30 with free shipping. Should definitely go under £1. And then we got this Old Wile E. Coyote. So it's a window cling. It was 9 cents. But I'm not sure if this is their exact date, but it says Warner Brothers Inc. 19. Looks like 68. I tried finding some info on it on eBay and WorthPoint, and I couldn't get nothing on there, so I'm gonna do some more research. I'm sure it's worth a little bit of money. I'm sure it's not crazy money. And this is a switch dock and whatever else is in this bag. Paid 16 for that. I've sold switch docks before for about 40 bucks. I didn't comp it, but it felt like there was some other stuff in here. So we're gonna see. We got a HDMI cable. Thought this might have been a Joy-Con. I don't know what that is. That's weird. Bootleg Joy-Con? I don't know. Then we got this in here, which you can put your Joy-Cons in there. And here's the other side of that. That's weird. Who are these made by? I don't know. Here's the switch dock itself. And I'll sell it with that HDMI cord. Like I said, I've gotten $40 for these before. I'll probably sell this because I got a couple extra now. I don't need that many. But these don't go for not too much, maybe $10, $15. So, it's a pretty good haul. But we pay like 23 bucks or something. So, we'll see you at the next thrift shop. Well, guys, I let my dad have the pinball machine for a little bit, and he fixed it in a couple hours. He got the power plug situation in the back to where he could plug it in again. He did a couple other little things, and now we got a working pinball machine. So for 10 bucks for a potentially $1,000 pinball machine, it's pretty awesome. Show them how it works. It's pretty cool. Got cool lights in it, makes a lot of sounds. It's even got ramps. If you see the little cheaper pinball machines, they don't have ramps and stuff, so
Did
it's
you
pretty neat.
gonna try out the ramp?
So yeah, pretty good $10 investment. Probably gonna keep it for a little bit, and then one day I'll sell it. What do you think, buddy?
I like it.
You like it? Hey guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys checking it out. What do you think of my pinball score? I think it was pretty awesome for 10 bucks. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, guys, because I've been posting all my solds and my stories, and I add music and stuff for them. The link will be down below to check me out on Instagram. You can add me on Facebook. Make sure you're sub, man. I'm almost at 6K. I think I got like less than 10 subs, man. Hit that sub button. Let's get me to 6K. You guys have a good rest of your weekend. Peace.